Hello everyone. Welcome back to Stoic Wisdom Today. There's a hunger that lives inside us, a desire for more. More pleasure, more praise, more money, more love, more everything. But what happens when that desire starts to control you? Today, we explore the discipline of desire, a powerful Stoic practice that transforms craving into freedom, indulgence into clarity, and chaos into calm. Let's begin. Part 1. Desire, the hidden tyrant. Seneca once wrote, "It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more, that is poor." Desire isn't wrong, but unexamined desire, that's dangerous. Because unchecked craving leads to addiction, jealousy, anxiety, constant dissatisfaction. You get what you want, but it's never enough. You reach the goal, but you're already chasing the next one. The Stoics saw this pattern clearly, and they trained their minds to break it. Part 2. The Stoic view of desire. Epictetus taught that we should discipline our desires. Not suppress them entirely, but redirect them. He said, freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control. And what lies beyond your control? Almost every outcome you crave, whether they love you, whether the market rewards you, whether fame finds you. The Stoic path is not about having more. It's about needing less and becoming unshakable within. Part 3. The 3 types of desire and how Stoics deal with them. 1. Desire for pleasure, food, sex, comfort, stimulation. The Stoics didn't reject these, but they didn't chase them blindly. They practiced voluntary discomfort, sleeping on the floor, eating plainly, walking in the cold. Why? To remind themselves, I can enjoy these things, but I don't need them. That is real power. 2. Desire for approval. We crave praise. We fear rejection. We shape our lives to please others, even strangers. But Marcus Aurelius warned, the approval of others, a distraction. Do what's right and ignore the rest. Your job isn't to impress. Your job is to live with virtue, even if no one claps. 3. Desire for control. We want life to go our way. We want certainty, guarantees, security. But Stoicism teaches, let go. Some things are up to us, some are not, Epictetus. Instead of craving control, embrace adaptability. Instead of wishing life was different, work with what is. This mindset creates emotional liberation. Part 4. Practices to discipline desire without self-hatred. 1. Voluntary deprivation. Once a week, deny yourself a luxury. Skip sugar, cold shower, walk instead of drive. Then remind yourself, I am still okay, I do not need this. You're not punishing yourself, you're training your mind. 2. Desire journal. Each evening, ask, what did I crave today? What triggered it? Did I control it, or did it control me? This turns impulse into awareness, and awareness is the first step to mastery. 3. Choose virtue over immediate reward. Next time desire calls, ask, will this make me stronger or just satisfied for a moment? That delay, that pause, is where character is built. Seneca wrote, no man is free who is a slave to his passions. Freedom doesn't mean denying yourself everything. It means having the power to say no when it counts. Part 5. Stoic desires are different. The Stoic does desire, but differently. They desire clarity, justice, wisdom, self-mastery. These are not cravings, they're commitments. They don't enslave, they elevate. Conclusion. Want less, live more. You've been told happiness lies in getting what you want. The Stoics say, true happiness lies in needing less and mastering what you already have. So the next time desire arises, pause, ask, where is this coming from? Do I control it, or does it control me? Can I be enough, even without this? Then act. Not from craving, but from clarity. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom Today. If this message helped you reclaim your strength from desire, share it with someone who's tired of the chase. And until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.